Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a Upwork account. Now first of all, what you have to do is open a web browser of your choice. Now go to a website that is upwork.com/nx/sign up. Simply go to this website. Now you will see something like this. Now all you have to do is simply tap on this I am a freelancer looking for work option. Now after tapping on that, you will see a green option called apply as a freelancer. Simply tap on apply as a freelancer and you will see something as this. Now you can either continue with Google or fill up this form manually. Simply I will show you this manual forms. After doing that, simply tap on create my account. Now it will show you that your account has been created. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.